English conversation practice for beginners. How are you this evening?
I am a little bit tired.
How was your trip to Spain?
It was perfect and peaceful.
How may I help you?
I want to get a beauty parlor.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Monday.
How was business?
It's going well. It's going well.
Where are you from?
I am from England.
What is the capital of your country?
The capital of my country is London.
Where would you like to go?
To the park, please.
What happened?
She got in a car accident.
What's your friend's name?
Her name is Zara. Her name is Zara.
What do you think I should go?
You should ask your dad.
Who told you this?
My friend told me about her problem.
Will you turn on the TV, please?
Sure, what channel?
What did he say?
He said he is from Canada.
Is it okay to just order drinks?
No, you have to order food too.
Would you open the door for me, please?
Sure, let me help you.
Is there anything wrong with that?
No, everything is okay.
How do you feel about this one?
This one is better than the first one.
Do you have any friends in America?
No, I don't know anyone there.
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Sure, I can speak.
What time do you get up?
I wake up at 7 am.
Can I pay it by credit card?
Sorry, we only take cash.
Do you order the birthday cake?
No, not yet.
How are you now?
I'm fine and I can leave the hospital next week.
Who is the man in the picture?
He is my father.
What's wrong with you?
I am feeling a little bit uncomfortable.
Did you drive yourself?
Yes, I can drive by myself.
Did you read my message?
No, I'm sorry, I was busy.
Do you have time after work?
I have to pick up my luggage.
How old is your grandma?
She is 80 years old.
How do I get to the market?
Go straight and turn left, and you can see it.
Do you know her well?
Not really, I have only met her twice.
Where will you go on summer vacation?
I have no idea now.
May I take a picture here?
You can do it.
How many brothers or sisters do you have?
I have an elder brother and younger sister.
When will you come?
About 6 pm.
Thank you for your time and watching. Keep subscribed to update new videos.